Okay, let's do one more. Number 3. So it says a person is obligated to accord great honor to Sefer Torah. It is a mitzvah to provide it with a designated place. Okay. To honor that place and to beautify it exceedingly. So this place is Aram Kodesh. Sometimes they have safe, right? I mean, it has like wood finishing, but inside there is a like very strong like commercial safe. It's not only against the theft, but also against the fire. So these safes can withstand the fire, right? Designated place, so okay, dignified place. Okay, he should not spit toward the Sefer Torah. So there's a problem in some shuls. They when say Alein L'Shaber, they spit. That's the problem, because I mean, if he spits to the side or whatever his pocket, it's better spit into his own pocket. So that's no problem. But if they spit in front of them, that's a big problem. Nor he should hold the Sefer Torah without a cloth. So basically, when they take it out, the Sefer Torah, it's usually, if it's Sephardi custom, it's in this box, right? I think it's wood, and on around it could be silver or like other materials, whatever they want. And if it's Ashkenazic custom, so the Ashkenazic Torah, they have like a mantle. But we never touch it with our bare hands. Even this reader, they have this yad, this pointer that he uses to read. Right, so we don't touch. One who sees the Sefer Torah as it being carried must rise in its honor and remain standing until the Sefer Torah is put in its place, or until he is no longer able to see it. Okay, one of the two. Right. So while the Torah is standing there, so he's not obligated to rise. Everybody rise, but there is no obligation. But when Torah is in motion, that's when you must rise. In a synagogue, when the Sefer Torah is being taken out or returned to Holy Ark, it is an obligation upon everybody before whom it is passes to escort it until its destination. Similarly, the Magbiah and Golel should walk to escort the Sefer Torah. Magbiah, a person honored with the rising of the Sefer Torah to show its contents to the congregation. And the second guy is Golel, the person who honors with the rolling the Torah closed after it was shown to the congregation. So these people, since they were the last two people who handled the Sefer Torah, so they must for sure. So of course, Chazan is the leader of the prayers. He takes the Sefer Torah and his right hand and he walks, but they must walk behind him, right? I think in Sephardic shul it would be only one person, because there's no one to roll. He opens, shows to everybody, and then he closes, and that's it. That's the thing. Okay. And I think in Sephardic it would be one person only. So he takes him from the Aron Kodesh. He shows it to everybody, and then he brings to the table, and they start reading. But in Ashkenazic shul it's different. In Ashkenazic shul they would take without showing anybody. They would read, and after they finish reading, they show to everybody. And then you need two people, because it's on two sticks, right? So one have to roll from the top, and one holds from the bottom. Okay.